Hello, brother. Do you want to buy a used pump truck? Is it okay for Sany's used pump truck, 62 meters, produced in 2020? Hey, brother. Is it okay for Sany's original remote control? One click to start and stop. Is it okay for Rexroth's double main pump with super strong power?
Nice.
Hi, brother. If you buy the machine, I can clean it for you. Is it okay to let the engine cross the mountains with you? It's adapted to various working conditions. Hey, brother. It's scorching hot today. Is it okay to enjoy the air conditioner in the cab with me?